Joining us now is Vice President Pence's Chief of Staff, Marc Short. Marc, great to see you today. The president has said this deal is fully enforceable. When it comes to the transfer of technology, can you explain how enforcement would work?
Sure. The United States Trade Representative Office will be coming out with more details on that in the next 60 days or so. But there will be a dispute resolution team. You have people from both the United States Trade Representative and from China's side that will look at individual disputes that are brought before them, and inside that construct, they'll assess whether or not there are violations of this deal or not. The forced transfer of technology has been a big concern from this administration from the very beginning, and it's one of the items that the president said was not just a trade imbalance, but also wanting to make sure that American companies don't continue to have their technology stolen and taken over by the Communist Party of China. And so being able to take initial steps in addressing those problems is important, but there's going to be, we believe as well, hopefully a second phase of this will continue to tighten those constricts so there's no longer that same theft of technology.
Marc, just wanted to go back a step, and there's obviously future phases still to come, and there's been ups and downs to reach this first phase. But how significant is this particular moment in the president's first term in office, do you think?
Well, Wolf, I think it's an incredibly historic moment. And the reason I say that is because I think for the last couple of decades, we've had Republican and Democrat administrations alike who believe that when you allow China in the World Trade Organization, you'll see other sorts of changes that have not come to fruition. And in the meantime, China has continued to cheat on, in essence, trade deals. And so this president said the era of economic surrender is over. And he basically assessed tariffs in ways that were crippling the China economy, so they came to the table and made real concessions. We will see how this goes. It is an opportunity for both nations to find a pathway forward that is prosperous for both. But as your network has covered, Wolf, this is a huge day in resetting the relationship with China. But tomorrow as well, the Senate will be passing the United States-Mexico-Canada trade agreement. So within 2 days, you're going to have two huge trade deals. And I think this economy has benefited enormously from the president's tax agenda, his anti-regulatory agenda, and now I think you're going to see the fruition of the trade agenda coming to bear.